If you see the message, you've reached your monthly limit of new chat messages on WhatsApp. It's a temporary restriction to prevent spam. So, why do you exactly see this message? If you sent many messages to new numbers quickly, or you've added and messaged many unknown contacts, or your account activity seems unusual or automated, and you might have recently created a new WhatsApp account. So, this is a safety measure and not a permanent ban. So, wait for the limit to reset. The limit resets automatically, usually in the few days to a month. You can still chat with saved contacts during this time. Save numbers in your contacts before messaging them and reply to people who message you first. This shows normal usage. Also, don't message many unknown numbers quickly. Avoid copy pasting the same message repeatedly and chat regularly with your friends and family. Join and interact in groups naturally. WhatsApp may show how long the restriction will last and what actions to avoid. So, if the message persists, you can go to WhatsApp and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then go to settings. From settings, you need to scroll down, then go to help and feedback, go to help center, and from here, tap on contact us option that is in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on start chat and explain the issue politely. They usually respond with guidance within 24 to 48 hours. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.